display. Mixing flavors, can't be beat. Chopping veggies, dancing feet. Cooking love, so sweet, so sweet. Spices flying in the air. Saute dreams with love and care. Stirring passion everywhere. Cook a feast beyond compare. I love cooking every day. Mix and season in my way. I love cooking, come and stay. Taste the magic on display. Boiled pasta, swinging hips. Taste of heaven on my lips. Laughter echoes in the sips. Sharing joy, no bounds, no tips. Cooking love, it's what we do. Flavor sparks, just me and you. In this kitchen, dreams come true.
They heard it a few years ago, and now it's like this economic surge. Everyone's looking at them with envy.
And then there's Venezuela, once a total titan in the oil industry, and now grappling with, well, it's a severe economic crisis. I mean, people are literally fleeing the country.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know, it's like watching a tortoise, right? And it's overtaking a hare, except this hare tripped over its own shoelaces or something.
That's a pretty good analogy.
So for this deep dive, we're going to be looking at this YouTube video from Real Life War.
Oh yeah, I've seen that one.
It's titled, Why Venezuela is Preparing to Conquer Guyana.
Yeah?
Which, yeah, sounds a little intense, but we're going to break it down. The key insights, you know, I'm trying to figure out, is war really, like, on the horizon here?
Yeah, I mean, the video does a great job of setting the stage, you know, showing us that tension between these two nations.
Tension. It's been going on forever.
Right, over this region, Esquibo.
2/3 of Guyana.
And it's been a point of contention since, well, since colonialism, really. The British and the Spanish.
So basically, think of it like...